Hello guys! It's me again, Mom Shawie. So today, I received parcel, lots of stuff from Shopee. So we're going to unbox. And can you please guess what are the items? Because I have ordered lots of stuff from Shopee amounting to 1,800 pesos. So these are the stuff. These are the items I purchased from Shopee. So, shout out to GNT for delivering. So, guys, we're going to unbox this. So, these are the stuffs from because guys, I have ordered all these items in single store. So, these are the stuff. So these are. Ta-da! So I have here 3 notebook keyboard protective film. So I have here 3 items. I have here three notebook, keypad protective film. So it's very useful for my computer and for my netbook because it protects our keyboard from dust, from water, and etc. So it's ultra thin and transparent. So it's waterproofing and dust proofed. So it protects your keyboard from dust and from water. And then it is antibacterial material. So I have here 3. Another item is USB portable fan. So USB portable fan. You can use it on your power bank or from your computer. Simply attach this or insert this on your USB port. So you can use it directly from your power bank or from your computer and PC or netbook. So USB portable fan. And then I have here 3 transparent. So this protects my cell phones. It protects my iPhone, my smartphone, and my Oppo phone. So I have here 3 protective gear. So 3 red, black, and brown. And then I have also here digital watch. Yeah, digital watch. It's touchable. It gives you their digital time. So I have here 3. I think 3. I have ordered 3. I think 3. Okay, 3. Where's the other one? Okay. Okay, so these are the digital watch. So guys, I have also purchased 2 sets of batteries. So one for AA, 1 set of AA, and then another set for AAA. So it's Sony rechargeable batteries. I have ordered this because I have already charger battery. I have also I have the charger, the battery charger. What I locked are the chargeable batteries. So these are the Sony batteries. And then if we have batteries, so I also have the container for those batteries. So this is intended for the AA battery, and this is for AAA battery container, because I am a organized person. Charot. Okay, aside from that, I have also ordered LED. 2 LEDs, USB LED light. So the last time I've also ordered one, and then I like it, so I ordered another 2 sets of LED light. Okay, it's USB LED light. Okay, then aside from that, I have also ordered organizer, wire organizer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 wire organizers. Okay, and last but not the least is my new power bank. So guys, I have already 2 power banks, and then I just add another power bank to be used for my fan, USB fan, and for the LED USB LED light. So guys, shout out to Shawie and to GNT, and of course to my dear viewers, to my dear vloggers. So thank you very much for taking time watching my videos. So thank you very much, guys. More power, God bless, and mabuhay. So this has been Ma'am Shawie Vlog. Thank you very much.